here we are. Carl got a P-A-C-K-A-G-E for the D-O-G.
What's this, Kuma?
What is it?
This is called Bob a lot.
Bob a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have to look it up here, but you put the treat in here.
Yeah.
And then, well, you can put the treat in there, and then you can already show you. Ooh.
Yeah, he's already showing
You can
interest.
make this level easy to hard.
Okay.
And then
What else is in there?
What do you mean? Oh,
I mean in the box.
So, anyway,
Now
this,
let's move on.
okay, like this. You can play around with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's still showing you interest. And then every time he pushes,
Yeah.
it's released the little kibble from here, and then he
Yum.
Yeah.
Kibble's a brand name, by the way.
Huh?
Kibble is a trademark brand name.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's like a
Yeah, it's like Kleenex.
Hey, come on. What's
this?
this?
Oh, it's like a Kong toy.
Kong, and you put the treat in there.
What else you got in there?
And then look at this one. It's called Dog Tornado. I want to try this. It's a level 2, intermediate. See, sometimes they said it's easy, sometimes they said it's difficult for a dog. This one. Oh, it's pretty big. I thought it's a little
Great.
smaller.
We're gonna have to get a chest for dog toys.
Here you go. So what you do is, there's like 3 levels, and what you have to do is, you can make the hard easy, and then you just hide all that nibbles here, and then he have to figure it out. So you go like this, and then he have to figure it out. Like how, and then make it like that. Oh, you're not interested? Oh, he doesn't know what this is.
Wait till there's a treat in there.
Exactly. So
All right,
one.
there it is. I'm signing off now.
Okay.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, Kuma.